Happy Friday, everyone. This is Allan coming to you from the Tortola group. Today I want to talk a little bit about investing. So I know the past couple of videos have been about goals, succeeding. So what better way to move forward in 2018 than to invest and increase your passive income? Now I'm going to be talking about real estate as an investment. Definitely one of the better forms of investing in my opinion, and definitely one of the more versatile ones. Now there are a number of reasons that real estate's a great venue to invest in, especially in California. But just to state a couple of things. So one, it's tangible. Two, it's beautiful. You see some really gorgeous homes. And three, it's a little bit more liquidable than other forms of investment. So if you need to pull out cash, there are a variety of ways that you can do that. And best of all, you don't have to be a millionaire to get started. A lot of people think that, hey, I need $500,000, $600,000 to buy an investment property. That's actually not the case. Many people start, and many of our clients have started by just buying their own home, and then eventually they build enough equity, they refinance, they purchase another home, they're able to rent one of the homes out, and they just continually do that and continually build assets, and eventually they have a couple of homes that they're renting out. Now, real estate's actually very diverse. Even just in real estate, there are a number of different ways you can invest. You can flip houses, you can get rental properties, you can purchase multi-unit properties. Within the price point, you can purchase apartment complexes, commercial buildings, and your level of involvement can vary. Let's say you buy a single family residential home, rent it out to one family, hire a property manager if you want to, done. It's passive, you don't have to worry about it. The home essentially pays for itself. If you want to be a little bit more involved, you can manage it yourself. You can get a multi-unit property, be very involved with it. It really just depends on what you want to do. That's why real estate is an amazing place to invest, especially in California, because a lot of people want to move here. Also, real estate is directly actionable, which means that you can invest even more in it. So for example, let's say you buy a single family residential home. You want to redo the kitchen, you want to remodel the flooring, remodel the bathrooms, paint the home, just make it nicer. It increases the value, allowing you to rent it out for more, and those are things that you can act upon directly. Now, I already mentioned that it's tangible. Other forms of investing aren't, such as stocks, cryptocurrency, that sort of thing. So depending on what your preference is, real estate is a tangible thing that you can invest in. And one of the best things about real estate is that there are great returns on it. So for example, let's say you purchase a home, with what you're renting it out for, it essentially pays itself, equity goes up. So there are different areas that you're actually making money, even though it might not be apparent on the surface with how much cash flow you have in. Now, there are 4 ways that real estate investment can generate income. These 4 ways are: 1, cash flow. So for example, if you're leasing out a property for $2,000 a month, that would be your cash flow coming in. The second is amortization. So basically the loan is being paid down. So then essentially the home's paying for itself. And then if you ever decide to sell the property, you basically net the majority of what you sold the property for. And one of those benefits is appreciation. The value of the home goes up over time. So not only are you keeping up with inflation, but you're actually gaining a little bit more money than you did when you originally purchased the home, because the value goes up. Now, there are 2 main forms of appreciation. One's forced appreciation, which is making improvements to the property so that way you can lease it out for more, it increases the value. And the other one's natural appreciation, which we've all seen in the market as home prices go up. That's natural appreciation. And then the fourth and final thing would be tax savings. Now, in a future video, I will be talking about how the tax changes affect homeowners, the newest tax changes. So stay tuned for that video. If you do have any questions about real estate in general or investing, feel free to reach out to us. Leave it in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to help answer any questions. And as always, the Tortola Group is your smart choice in real estate.